Hello, welcome. This is another tutorial trading using Pythons, backtesting using the Pythons. How you backtest your strategy using the Python so you can implement in future. So in this lesson I'm using the exponential moving average. So EMA. In last tutorial I used simple moving average SMA. If you do not watch that tutorial, just watch that tutorial. The link will be available on the top of the videos. So the concept here and strategy is here. You can enter here when the close is greater than the exponential moving average, and otherwise you have to exit that strategy. So this is a core concept of this lesson. We can also cross check this EMA with our chart on the broker website, chart on, you can use say any website, like give the technical indicators. Just calculate the simple moving average. We have a daily frame data of 10 years 15 to 25. Just calculate the, so this one is closing is 23,559 and exponential moving average is the 23,749. So just we have verified this one. You see here the close is also here displaying here close. You can see C is equal to 23,559 and exponential moving average is 23,749.20 here. So this is very close. So we have verified the EMA, which is calculated by the Python, is similar to the broker. Next is we have generated the signal here. When we enter here when close is greater than EMA, then we have entered 1 on row, otherwise is 0. Then we calculate the return. Shift is important here. If you don't know the concept shift 1 here, please go and watch the simple moving average. I explained already. Shift 1 is why important, because we are entering the next day trade, not same day trade. So cumulative return is also calculated using the formula cumulative product. Then we can access the last row of this one, cumulative return columns. Then we also calculated the buy and hold, just cumulative product of this percentage change of the buy and hold. Let's run this one. Yes, this is very close return of buy and hold. Remember one thing in trading, you are just not comparing the return, you are also comparing the maximum drawdown of this strategy, maximum win ratio, sharp ratios, trade book, analyze the trade book for that backtest. We will calculate the trade books maximum drawdown in coming tutorials, but we are explaining how to backtest simple ideas. So next we have to plot these two parameters, or you can see columns. See this one, you can see here plot here. This is blue line is the EMA strategy. So you can see he's very close, very close. So when the COVID is came, just this slash home, you can put money into the debt fund, right here. When is going up, then you can enter here. So this window you can earn the FD returns, which can add up to your total returns. This one 160 you can, so it's a very close here, but maximum drawdown you can avoid here in this period. So it is just simple EMA strategy. We will also discuss the EMA crossover strategy. So we have to optimize this one 63 window periods. You can also 15-day chart, 15-minute chart, or you can say 60-minute, or 1 hour, or 2 hour, or 4 hour in live tradings. Then you can backtest that EMA, optimize the EMA for that time frame, and compare the returns. Then you can run on live tradings. So in coming lesson, I will also show you how to run the live these strategy step by step. So please like and subscribe this channel for more Python coding for tradings, more analysis on stock market, option tradings. Thank you very much.